Alright, the cover came off. I took off one 10mm bolt from the OCV here, and I unplugged this wire, the sensor wire, from where the OCV was, and there is oil in here. I know for sure that's not supposed to be the case, so this is likely the problem. We'll see how it goes. I'll show you these side to side. It's OEM part. This is the old one. This is the new one. Exactly the same. Same clips, same plugs. This one's just cleaner, newer, unused. Let's get it. The thing I wanted to take notice of is these seals. The seal's flat. It looks like it might have been leaking oil. This seal is plumped and a little bit better seated to probably keep this thing running better. Not clogged.